Welcome to Xpertifi newsletter. We will be discussing current banking news to keep you updated and informed. Let's dive into the news from last week. SBI and ICICI to act as intermediaries to European banks. The State Bank of India and ICICI Bank are expected to help European banks find a new way to process their transactions in India. This comes after a meeting between the top officials from RBI and some European banks. This proposal comes on the back of a decision by the European Securities and Market Authority (ESMA) in October 2022 to de-recognize the Clearing Corporation of India (CCIL). ICRA changes its outlook on banks from positive to stable. ICRA, a ratings firm, has changed its outlook for the banking sector from positive to stable. They anticipate that credit growth will slow down and there will be some pressure on profitability indicators. Despite this, they predict that the expenses related to provide loans will not increase significantly. Overall, they believe that earnings will remain healthy enough for most banks to meet their regulatory and growth capital requirements. The assets under management AUM through co-lending are approaching rupees 1 lakh crore. The assets managed through collaborative lending models have reached nearly rupees 1 lakh crore over the past 5 years. Personal loans make up about 1/3 of the total assets under management AUM. However, the growth of these loans might slow down. This slowdown is partly due to the RBI's decision to increase the risk weight for unsecured consumer credit. This means that banks need to set aside more capital to cover potential losses on these loans, making it less attractive for them to extend such loans. Health insurance industry leaves general insurance behind in growth. In FY24, the general insurance industry saw an annual premium close to rupees 2.9 lakh crore, a 13% increase from the previous year. Meanwhile, the 5 standalone health insurance companies experienced a substantial 26.2% growth in total premium. So, we can summarize that standalone health insurers in India expanded at twice the rate of the general insurance industry in the fiscal year 23-24. Before we say goodbye for now, let's see how the various indices performed last week. Xpertifi has launched a banking course that guarantees interviews with banks within 6 months of completing the course. So make sure to register yourself and inform your friends and family as well. Follow Xpertifi for banking jobs and news on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and LinkedIn. See you next week with more news. Thank you.